Hello, Natural Beauties. It's Heather from Huna. It's July on my third floor in my house, and we've created this groovy little video studio, which is awesome, and I love it. However, it happens to be plus 44 Celsius today, and it's extremely humid, so I'm cooking up here, but I'm loving having a place to film videos because it's really nice to see you again. So I'm really excited to be here today because I want to introduce you to a new innovation coming straight out of the Huna Labs. And I've got it right here, actually. Here it is. So this is the Huna Organic Hand Sanitizer. And it's made with hyaluronic acid, vegetable ceramides, calendula flower extract, and plant humectants. And this hand sanitizer is unique because it's 98.5% organic and it contains 100% plant-based ingredients. It's also vegan and it's certified cruelty-free. So this antiseptic hand sanitizer is authorized by Health Canada as an antibacterial and antiseptic skin cleanser that's effective against harmful bacteria and germs. And it does have a natural product number, an NPN number, which is required for sale of sanitizers in Canada. So the active ingredient in this hand sanitizer is 70% organic certified ethyl alcohol. And there's also a whole bunch of high performance active ingredients in here as well. As I mentioned, there's hyaluronic acid, and that is vegan. And there are vegetable ceramides. There's panthenol, which is also known as provitamin B5. We have aloe vera. We have plant humectants. And of course, this hand sanitizer contains calendula flower extract, which we grow ourselves on our family farm here in Manitoba. Under the prairie sunshine, we hand harvest the flowers ourselves. We bring them to the University of Manitoba, which is where the Huna Labs are. We process them, and then we incorporate them into every bottle of organic hand sanitizer. So here, I'm just gonna show you a quick demo. Here's how to use this product. You just snap off the little safety cap here, and you wanna give it a good shake before you use this product, just to make sure that the active ingredients are all mixed together. So squirt a couple squirts into your hands, and the point of this is that you wanna distribute it all over your hands into all the little nooks in between your fingers, get into your fingernails, and you want the product to dry. So you're actually gonna try and rub for about 30 seconds, and then you just want the product to air dry. And the scent is delicious. I love the scent of this product. So it's 100% natural essential oils, and it's a really nice, light citrus spice scent. And the beautiful thing about it is after a couple of minutes, it kind of dissipates away, it dissolves away. So the scent is really non-offensive. It's a lovely, like fresh and clean scent. And as I mentioned, it goes away quick. So it's a win-win. So this product is a 50 ml package, 50 ml bottle size, and it's $38. It comes in a frosted glass bottle, and the bottle itself is UV protected, so the product integrity is protected. And it's got a plastic mister cap, and the bottle itself and the cap are recyclable. And so this organic hand sanitizer is available right now at hunaskin.com, and it's also available through your favorite Huna retailer. I should note, however, there's really limited quantities on this product because we ran into a little bit of an issue of course, considering the nature of COVID, there's been an embargo on organic ethyl alcohol coming into Canada from the supplier that we were purchasing from. So this particular ingredient was coming from the US, so now we can't purchase the active ingredient at this time. So we only have the quantities, whatever inventory we had in stock is what we could make, so we only have the quantities that we have on hand right now. Of course, we're looking for another supplier, but there are no guarantees. So when this product is gone, unless we find another supplier and find it pretty quick, then once they're gone, they're gone. So if this seems like a product that you're interested in, pick up a bottle, pick up maybe 2 bottles, pick up a bottle for a friend. There's no limit right now on the bottles that you can purchase, but we do expect this to go pretty quick. So don't hesitate. If it sounds like a product that you're into, then pick up a bottle right away at hunaskin.com or through our Huna retailers. we think that your hens are gonna really appreciate this. So thanks very much for watching Natural Beauties, and take care of yourself, take good care of yourself, and stay safe and stay healthy. Ciao.